Yo guys, I just discovered this crazy algorithm in which you take a normal image from your phone or whatever, and then with the magic of artificial intelligence, you can just transform it in a full 3D model. And then, it's a 3D model. You can import it into Rhino, Blender, and from there I was starting to think, wow, this is crazy. It's gonna create a lot of application. You can use it for interactive media art, gaming, metaverse, AR, VR, I don't even know. But the problem is that it's hard to install, and I saw already a lot of videos on YouTube, and you have to geek for quite some time, and sometimes I don't think it's even that necessary. So I decided to create an API on the cloud, accessible to everyone, in which you can use the algorithm and you can integrate in whatever application you want. You can use it for super cheap hardware like Arduino, Raspberry, and you don't need actually anything. You just need internet. You send your picture in, you wait a bit, 30-60 seconds, and then you get the 3D model. Then, I don't know, you can take a selfie and 3D print yourself. Please enjoy and let me know how it goes. You go on rapidapi.com hub, and on the search bar on the marketplace you write 2D image to 3D, and my API is Gabriel Macora, and it's obviously the best. You will have two endpoints from URL. This is if you have a URL link accessible to everyone online, public, but I think it's easier to try with the picture on your computer directly. So you go here on body, upload, and I have this picture here of a nice house. You can try with any kind of code here. Fine, we can go Node.js, you can put C, and then you're gonna hit test endpoints. And as an answer, you will get this link. So this is just the status of the cloud. It's gonna be fast, so it's gonna take around 60 seconds, but sometimes it's not done yet. So I'm gonna open another window, paste my code here, and as you can see, it's still processing a bit. Try, cool. Now it's done. I'm gonna get download URL, copy this link here, and paste it back to my browser. And I'm gonna keep this model. So that's actually my model. If you wanna see how it looks like. And it's super fun. Let me know how it goes.